Hey my friends, I hope you're all doing well right now. I want to give you a message that if you will do it, your life will never be hard again. I was just having a conversation yesterday with a woman which had like really challenging moments, and she said like, why those challenges are constantly repeating over and over again. For so many years I'm experiencing same challenges and still nothing is changing, like my reality is still not changing. And I repeated a quote from Dr. Joe Dispenza, which says that if you want to change your life, you need to redesign it. So you need to design something new in order to experience new changes. And when it comes to designing, we need to create it from a greater level of awareness, which means that we need to start thinking greater thoughts, and we will start experiencing greater emotions. And it can be really hard to do if we are at the bottom, right? If we are experiencing challenges and we truly don't know what to do. So we were talking and I said like, I'm always visualizing my wanting future. Even when the times are hard, I'm not feeling bad about what is happening right now, because what is happening right now is a reflection of my past. It's what I was thinking and feeling in my past. But what I want to experience, I will design right now. So right now, at this moment, I'm designing my future. And if I feel bad right now, I know that I will not design anything beautiful. So if I truly want to create a change, the only way to design it is to create it right now. So I want for everyone to think that way. Like, start visualizing what you want to experience. Create a daily practice where you are designing your future. And when you're visualizing it, also experience it with your emotions. Feel as if we are constantly talking about it. Feel as it already happened. And if you will make it as a daily practice, you will see that challenges and moments which seems hard to solve or to deal with will disappear. You will stop experiencing hard, challenging moments because you will become a creator. And one interesting thing is that the new science is talking about that quantum physics, and scientists in quantum physics are talking about it, is that we are not actually creating or attracting reality. Actually, all the possibilities already exists. All we need to do is to place our attention to it, to our wanting future, to that potential reality which is in our future. And more we place our attention to it, faster we will experience it. But we need to set clear intention and we need to feel it as it already happened. As soon as we will do it, we will create this powerful feeling, powerful electromagnetic signal, and we will experience it. So, like I said before, as soon as we do it, our life will become easy. And another great explanation is that Greg Braden is talking about it in one of his books, The Science of Self-Empowerment, is that challenges in our lives are the reflection of our deepest beliefs about life. So those challenges are showing themselves, or they are manifesting in our lives, just so we can recognize them and we can heal our old emotions, or we can heal the emotions which are still attaching us to our past. So whatever we have experienced in our past as a painful moment, as long as we are attaching ourselves with emotions to that moment, we will be recreating it, and we will be constantly manifesting that moment in our present reality. So if we want to overcome it, we need to create greater emotions, which will heal the attachment to that past, to that painful past. As soon as we will heal that attachment, we will actually break the chain of being attached to our past, and we will create a vision of the future, and we will attach ourselves to that vision. And as Dr. Joe Dispenza is saying, create a memory of your future. If you don't have a memory of your future, you are creating your future by the memory of your past. What it means? It means that when you create a vision of your future, you need to remember it. When you will remember your vision of your future, you will create a memory of it. And if you will create a daily practice out of visualization, what you want to experience, every time when you will feel bad, you will remember your future and you will feel better. So more often you will get back to that future, faster it will appear in your life. So this is the secret, and this is the key, how you can create your life easy, how you can stop living in those challenging moments, and you can truly redesign your life so it will become like a really beautiful experience. So this is it, a short message. I'm sending you lots of love and sending you lots of blessings. Have a beautiful time and see you soon. Peace and love.